Hello. In this video, we want to solve the right triangle in which a equals 4 and b equals 6. Find the acute angles to the nearest tenth of a degree. Okay, that should be kind of the hint that we're going to have to round here a little bit. Alrighty, there we go. Now, a equals 4, b equals 6. If a is a leg and b is a leg, that means that alpha is opposite A and beta is opposite B. We don't know either of those two. C we have right here. Now we can find C immediately by using the Pythagorean theorem. So C squared equals 4 squared plus 6 squared. 4 squared is 16, 6 squared is 36, 16 plus 36 is 52. So C squared equals 52. So C equals the square root of 52. And simplifying, what would that be? 4 times 13. So square root of 4 would be 2. So we have 2 square root of 13. Good. Now, here's the thing. We can use this if we want, but we only know these two. I can find alpha by using SOHCAHTOA. Now, SOHCAHTOA. For alpha, A is opposite, B is adjacent. So between these, the ones that are opposite and adjacent is tangent. So technically what I want to do is look at tangent alpha equals something. Opposite is 4, adjacent is 6. So 4 over 6. Now, I don't need to simplify that. You can make that 2 over 3 if you want, but I don't need to. What you do need to do is go to your calculator and figure out that you have to figure out what is alpha equal to. Well, alpha is going to equal to the inverse tangent of both sides. Well, inverse tangent of 4 over 6. Now, technically what I'm doing is I'm taking the inverse tangent of both sides, kind of. It's not exactly like that, but you can think of it like that if you need to. Now, the reason I say it's not exactly like that is it kind of depends. And it really does depend. But alpha is going to be the inverse tangent of 4 over 6. And then just take your calculator and do inverse tangent of 4 over 6. Make sure that you're in degrees. And then you get a value. Now, I'm going to go ahead and round this immediately. So alpha here is going to be 33.7 degrees. Awesome. So there you go. Notice that the only thing I don't know yet is beta. So I can use this alpha to go ahead and find beta, because alpha plus beta has to be 90 degrees. So it means that beta has to be 90 degrees minus the 33.7 degrees. So beta, of course, has to be what? 56.3 degrees? Yeah. There we go. So there you go. We have just solved this right triangle. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next video. Have fun.